How to schedule Reels on Facebook from PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to proceed with this one, we're going to go ahead and have to open business.facebook.com. And then from here, you are going to log in. In my case, I have already logged in my account here. Now, we are going to proceed. Just go ahead and hit create reel in here. And just as usual, just go ahead and upload your video. So I'm going to go ahead and upload, say, for example, this one right here. This is the video that I want to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and fill in the necessary details. We have the reel details here. Caption reel. You have the thumbnail in case you want to change it. You have the collaborator. And then after that, just go ahead and hit the next button here. And here you can go ahead and try to make some edits in here. But say, for example, you're done, click next once again. And here in the share tab, this is very important. Make sure that you are going to choose schedule. And then go ahead and click this one. And then you can choose a date. Say, for example, I'm going to choose the tomorrow's date. And then I can go ahead and set the time here. So I can just go ahead and schedule this, say, for example, to about 4 p.m. All right, there you go. And the next thing that I'm going to do is this one here, share to your story. This is optional. You can toggle this on or not. Now, lastly, make sure that it's in public and go ahead and click the schedule down here. As you can see, it says here that your reel has been published according to your chosen publishing options. You can close this one and then you should be able to see it here as well. And that is how you're going to schedule reels on Facebook from PC.